stuttering again. Come across a mechanic, couldn't work it out, and we've been told to wait, so...
Well, I need a dollar, that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me? Bad times are coming and I reap what I done sowed.
Hey guys, how's it going? So we left Pure this morning on our final push towards Chennai. I should probably let you know why we're sort of pushing to Chennai. We're actually flying out on the 23rd of December and it's 12th today. We want to visit a few friends down there before we leave. So we're hoping to make it there by Friday, which will be about the 16th or 17th. That'll give us a few days, catch up with friends, sell the auto, and we'll fly out. So the next few days we're going to be pushing pretty hard, trying to get 350, 400 Ks a day. There's going to be a lot of driving footage, but you know, it's India, man. I'm sure some crazy cool stuff's going to happen along the way, so...
But maybe I was wrong. Maybe India had given us all she had. I mean, there was still the traffic, the life and the colour in the streets that so defines India. The smiles, the waves, the stares, the fuel stops, those wonderfully Indian moments that you never get sick of. There was the interesting road conditions and the friendly riders that we'd meet along the way.
I'm from Australia! Yeah, man, yeah.
There were the roadside food stops that had become the norm. We changed drivers a few times to try and save a bit of time, though this didn't always work out for us.
Oh,
really? But it didn't set us back too much. There was chatting with officials to avoid the tolls.
How are you? Thank you very much.
And at the end of the day, there was another strange hotel in another strange city. Then another early start.
7 o'clock.
More waves, more food, more friendly riders, and more of those inexplicable sights that you will only see on the Indian motorways. There were roadside temples and hilltop statues, and Az found a coconut somewhere along the way, but we were doing it. We were eating up the kilometers and we were on track to achieve our goal. In fact, we were going so well, we decided to try and eliminate a day of motorway driving and make the final 579-kilometer push to Chennai in one day. But it seemed that India had one more challenge in store for us.
Morning everybody. It's 4:30 now and we're just packing up, getting ready for our biggest ever day on the road in the auto. So yeah, it's gonna be a long one, but it means we'll get to Chennai today, so yeah, let's get into it.
I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Said I need a dollar, that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
Alright, fuel stop number 1, 500 kilometers to go.
Bad times are coming and I reap what I done sowed. Hey, hey. Well, let me tell you something, all that glitters ain't gold. Hey, hey. It's been a long old troublesome road, and I'm looking for somebody come and help me carry this load.
Alright, fuel stop number 2, 405 kilometers to go.
I need a dollar.
Alright, so we pulled over for that last fuel stop because it started cutting out a bit and I thought she was out of fuel, but we've just filled up, started up again, and still doing the same thing. So yeah, not sure. We'll have a bit of a look and see if we can't get to the bottom of it.
Dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey.
Alright, so the other day we had to replace this spark plug end here. So I don't know, I just screwed that in a bit harder. Looked like this was about to fall off, so I put a bit of wire on that, and I don't know, seems to be running all right now, so fingers crossed we make it to Cheno.
Well, I need.
Alright, so it definitely wasn't that. Took off. A couple of minutes down the road it started stuttering again, so yeah, I don't know, I'll check the spark plug, maybe clean the carby, and go from there. Alright, so cleaned the carby as best I could, replaced the CDI, tested it with a few different spark plugs and nothing's really making any difference, so just gonna try and limp it to the next little town, and hopefully there's a mechanic there who can have a look and see if he can figure it out. Alright, so we're limping along very slowly. Pulled off the main highway back there because I saw some auto drivers, just asked them where there might be a repair shop. One guy said about 4 more kilometers this way. So yeah, let's hope so, because it'll probably still take us 15-20 minutes to get there at this rate, so fingers crossed.
What I need. Well, I don't know if I'm walking on solid ground.
Alright, so the last guy we asked said 1 kilometer. Thanks, man. This gentleman here has told us 6 kilometers, so we'll just keep going and keep a lookout. Alright, so we just asked another few rickshaw drivers. They said 3 kilometers this way, so that sort of matches what the other guy said with the 6Ks, so we're gonna keep on trucking. Alright, so we've arrived in another little village type thing. Asked another guy about a mechanic, pointed down this road here, so I'm just gonna go for a bit of a walk first before we drive the rickshaw down in case it's a dead end. Right, yeah, well, didn't have any luck down here. I asked a few more guys. They said back up the way I came, back along that road we were on, and then the last road on the left. So we'll see how we go. What would you call it? It's a I don't want to say problem, but like the Indian people are so friendly and so helpful, and they want to be helpful and they don't want to disappoint you. So sometimes even if they're not sure or they don't know, they'll give an answer, which does not always make life easier. So yeah, we'll keep looking. Alright, so we found an auto mechanic, but he's only for diesel autos, not petrol, so another 10 kilometers down the road, I think. Alright, so we drove about 10 Ks, come across a mechanic who can hopefully help us out. Alright, so we had a bit of a look, couldn't work it out by the looks of it. They made a few phone calls and we've been told to wait, so maybe someone's on their way, let's see. Sweet, so the petrol auto mechanic has arrived and yeah, he's having a look at it now, so let's see how he goes. Alright, so it's fixed. It's nothing I would have guessed at, really. There's this little bolt here that holds this on, which I did actually try to tighten before, but it must have broke or something, because I couldn't actually get it to tighten. But it must provide an earth because yeah, he put a new bolt in there, tightened it up, and she's good to go. So yeah, already hit the road again. It is 1:30, which means yeah, we'll see how we go. We might not make it to Chennai tonight, might push through, but at least we have a really clean carby for the last 180 Ks. And I learned something new about auto rickshaws. That bolt has to be tight, so yeah, let's rock and roll.
'Cause everything around me is falling down, and all I want is for someone to help me.
Alright, after a bit of a delay, third fuel stop, 285 kilometers to go.
I had a job, but the boss man let me go. He said, I'm sorry, but I won't be needing your help no more. I said, please, Mr. Boss Man, I need this job more than you know. But he gave me my last paycheck and he sent me on out the door.
Alright, so the rickshaw started playing up a bit again. Stopped and had a look, and that bolt, the new bolt was put in there, had come loose again. I don't think it's quite the right bolt. I think it's the same one as we had before, so I put a bit of packing wire sort of up near the head to try and make it hold a bit better, and I've also like wired down the component the bolt holds on to try and stop it bouncing around so much. So yeah, we'll see. Got another hour till it gets dark, so might see how it's going then. It's starting to play up again. Probably can the idea of trying to get to Chennai tonight. But yeah, we'll just see. Come 6 o'clock, we'll make a decision.
Well, I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Said I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey. And I need a dollar, that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
Rightio, so it's just gone on 6. Rickshaw's been running smoothly since I did that Moji repair. As and I just had a quick discussion, and we're going to push for Chennai, so yeah, let's do it. About 200 Ks to go. If everything runs smoothly, hopefully be there about 11. So yeah, it's been the last day couldn't be easy. It wouldn't be right if the last day was easy. After all the amazing times we've had, all the ups and downs, it's kind of fitting that we've got a bit of a challenge ahead of us. So yeah, looking forward to it now. Fuel stop number 4, 171 kilometers to go. Alright, so we did that last fuel up, got about 5 Ks down the road, and our front tyre is going flat, so I'm gonna have to try and change it. I said that it was fitting that it was a challenging day, but I didn't really mean this challenging, so once we get this sorted, if everything could go smoothly, that'd be great. Awesome, so we rolled the help of a few friendly guys here at the toll booth, and the tyre has changed. We're good to go.
Well, I don't know if I'm walking on solid ground, 'cause everything around me is crumbling down. And all I want is for someone to help me.
Alright. 5th and last fuel stop, 67 kilometers to go.
Maybe it's inside the bottle. Maybe it's inside the bottle. I had some good old buddies, names is whiskey and wine. Hey, hey. And for my good old buddies, I spent my last dime. Hey, hey. Now wine is good to me. You help me pass the time. And my good old buddy, whiskey
we made it. Man, yeah, definitely the longest day we've ever done. 579 kilometers, 19 hours and 5 minutes. Yeah, but we're here, Chennai, where it all started 5 months ago. I'm absolutely beat, so I'm gonna go into the hostel, check in, go to sleep, but I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow morning to sort of, yeah, just have a look at what we've achieved. Hey guys, yeah, wow, what a feeling to actually be here. 11,538 kilometers in this amazing little machine. Yeah, what can you say about that? It's just been the most amazing experience of my life. Like, yeah, the most amazing experience of my life. I didn't know what to expect when I got off the plane in India. I'd heard a lot of stories from my dad, friends, TV shows, books, the internet, but yeah, nothing prepared me for what this adventure turned out to be, and all in a good way. So many breathtaking sights, so many amazing experiences, but the one thing I think that has really stuck in my mind is the people. Just the friendliness, the kindness, I was thinking about it, and I think the thing I'm going to miss the most is the smiles. Every day, just, you know, 1,000 smiles being thrown your way just simply because you're there doing something crazy. And so yeah, I'm gonna sign out from here. We are heading back down to Pondicherry to see a couple of friends that we met, so we're going to spend a few more days here relaxing, and then we'll head down to Pondicherry, see them, and then yeah, after that we'll probably have to say goodbye, but I'll leave it here and I'll catch you guys in the next adventure. Ciao.
Working myself down